we are looking for a number between 0 and 1. So anything bigger than 1 would not work, and anything smaller than -1 would not work. Some possible choices are 2.3. 2.3 is going to be too far over here. What about 1.5? That's in between 1 and 2. -1.7 would be too far this way. But 0.25 is in between 0 and 1. It's bigger than 0, but it's smaller than 1. So we want to choose 0.25 or a number similar to that if you are writing this in your workbook. Then it asks us which scale would our number line need to go by in order to have the point and its opposite included. I'm going to use 0.25 as my point. What scale would I go by? If I go by ones, am I ever going to see 0.25 on my number line? Another way to write this is 1/4. What if I went by 1/10? If I went by 1/10, that would be 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10 would be at 1. Am I ever going to see a quarter that way? No. How about 1/2? Here we go, 0.5, 1. I'm not going to get 0.25 that way either. But if we went by quarters, we go 1/4, and then this is the same as 2/4 or 1/2, 3/4, and then 4/4 is 1. So here I would get this one, and if I went by quarters this way, I would get -1/4 over here, which is its opposite. So this, if I went with a scale of 1/4, I could get both of those points on my number line.